Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. I'm back again in Hounslow, waiting for Elton to come. Those who say no, girls delay. Some of my friends also who say no, I am late. See, who is late here? I've been waiting and I'm very patient until he comes. I just gave him a call. He said he's on the bus. He's in the bus and he's on the bus. He's in the bus and he'll be here in another 2 minutes maximum. I'm waiting for him at the bell corner itself. Once he gets off the bus, he can see my face directly.
One eternity later.
Culprit. Who's late? Who's late?
You are late.
You are late. Should I click a screenshot and show them? Who's
You
late?
will show anything that you want to, but you are late.
Why am I late? Why am I late?
I used to sleep with open eyes. I used to breathe just to keep us alive. Now all I can see is we're drifting apart. I can't believe how it all turned dark. Bring me the light. 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 Bring me the light.
Wherever I go, I promote my language, Konkani. But in her vlog, I speak in English. Maka, Naka. Huh? Hi. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. And also the price are very.
Reasonable.
This is the menu. I'm just waiting for my
Chicken Frankie.
chicken Frankie. But I like the ambience here because it's a little dark theme, but a lot of people here. And it's good, I like the vibe.
We have come to Primark now for his shopping.
Not my shopping.
Yeah?
You got me here
But
because my
where are we? In the men's section. Where are we? In the men's section. The women's section is downstairs. So why we come shopping? He's going to take another 1 hour over here.
I don't think I was.
Let's see, huh? Literally, guys, he's taking so long to shop. See, huh?
I'm buying my underwear.
He's taking so long to shop. So long. He's even
Why the fuck is she getting upset about it?
because you're taking so long. I'm the person who does not have patience in shopping that much. Like I can have a limit of
Yeah,
half
she
an hour.
acting like an idiot.
Okay, okay, guys.
Show me. You can't go like this. Can you explain me what are we doing here?
See his stuff, by the way. Okay, see his stuff. These are all his stuff. Okay, these are all his stuff.
But how did you ended up? How did we
Because
ended
now
up
I
here?
dragged him into my section.
Like a
Why
drag
should
queen.
I only take all the torture? Why should men have all the fun? So come. Guys, I need. God, this is so good. Babe,
Yeah. I have no time for you now. Now I need to finish this thing up.
see what he's ordered. Babe, how are you feeling?
Stuffed it. Stuffed it.
Now only he wants to be thrown on the bed. You want to sleep now? So guys, after we had lunch at Casa de Goa, we really did not do anything much. We went out of the park and then from there we headed off back home. We watched a movie and that's how we ended our day. You know, when we were having our lunch, we remember the times when we used to go out to eat thali back in Goa. Can't wait to go back. God knows when are we going to go back. Due to the pandemic and India being in the red zone, travel was a little difficult. But God willing, everything will be fine, and very soon we'll get to travel and go back home. Thank you for watching my vlog and supporting me. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share and comment down below. More vlogs and more reaction videos, more couple challenges are yet to come. Bye bye.